Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be revisiting that famous American song, Yankee Doodle, on a diatonic harmonica. But this time we'll be looking at how to play it in the lower part of your harmonica using bends. Now, if you don't know how to bend notes on your harmonica, please check the description below for some links to some great harmonica bending tutorials. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 4 twice. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5. Blow into 4. Blow into 5. And breathe in through 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 4 twice. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5. Blow into 4. And breathe in through 3. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 4 twice. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 5. And breathe in through 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 4. Breathe in through 3. Blow into 3. Breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce A. Breathe in through 3 to produce B. And blow into 4 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce A. Breathe in through 3 to produce B. Breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce A again. Blow into 3. Breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce the A again. Breathe in through 3 to produce B. And blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, blow into 3. Breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce A. Blow into 3. Breathe in through 2. Blow into 2. And blow into 3. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now, phrase 7 is exactly the same as phrase 5, so let's move on to phrase 8. Breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce A. Blow into 3. Blow into 4. Breathe in through 3. Breathe in through 4. And blow into 4 twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And don't forget, if you want to learn how to play this song without using bends, just go and watch part 1 of this tutorial. And until next time, stay tuned. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.